Welcome to this video presentation here at West Horsley Motors, and here we have the Audi A1 on an 18 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Given the size of the vehicle, a decent amount of boot space here as well. You can increase that space further by folding down either of the 60/40 split folding rear seats, and then underneath this tray section we have the battery for the car and a bit more space around that should you wish to use it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, firstly, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 45,135. You can change information displayed above that for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information. You can also have your digital readout for the speedometer up here, and that is done by hitting this button and using this wheel to select any of the options available to you. We have our stereo controls on the steering wheel as well. We have cruise control underneath to that left-hand side. Into the centre, we have this pop-up screen just here, which is of course where you'll access all of your music options. So you can see here, we are on the main menu. The movement that I'm making is being done using this dial just here. So you can rotate to any option you want. You can push it down. These 4 buttons relate to the 4 corners of the screen. Of course, you can go to your main menu from here or access anything you want there as well. So using the dial, we can change your bass, balance, treble, fader, etc. We can get into the radio menu. Top right-hand corner button will give you your waveband options. So DAB, FM, medium wave radio. We can come back a page to the main menu. You've got media, again, top right hand corner, and you can see all the different ways you can listen to your music, and they include Bluetooth audio as well. You can access your satellite navigation for the car. The map is down in that bottom left hand corner, and as you can see, nice clear colour display. Very easy system to use. You can pair up your phone and you can change the driving settings of the car. Most of the time you'd probably be in auto, where the car decides for you. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system's off when the light shows within that button. We have our hazard warning lights. We have our CD player, 2 SD memory card inputs, the buttons I went through just a moment ago, including the volume for your stereo just here. We then have air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, direction of the air. That's your air conditioning on. Same button will turn that back off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set in the vehicle, of course. Heated rear screen, traction control. That button will change the driving setup of the car, like I showed you just a moment ago on the main screen. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, and the gear lever for the fully automatic S-tronic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.